I get really excited about the food and the energy that comes through our outlets. I really care deeply about food and how we create that to be artistic. You have to stay focused. You have to have your mind in the right place to keep your energy levels there. And that's where I feel like I get my enjoyment out of cooking. I am the culinary director here at Sundance Resort. We're sitting in the tree room. We have the Foundry Grill, which is our regular 3-meal service restaurant. We have a couple seasonal outlets, so we have the Lookout and one called Mountain Camp Cafe. They are open during prime winter or prime summer seasons. We also have Bear Claw Cabin, which is on the top of the mountain, and that is a smaller food outlet that services skiers in the winter and some hiking in the summertime. I grew up in a semi-large family in a small town that we had dinner same time every day around the dinner table. My mom is an excellent cook, and I would say unknowingly, I think that's what sparked my love for food. And I think that it's very important for us as a core to bring people around the table, show them what we do, let them, so to speak, break bread, as we say, and find themselves again. And I think that's our goal here, is to do that for them. I was at UVU in the business program. I watched a commercial late one night for the UVU culinary program, and it kind of just sparked an interest, I think. I went to the school counselor and talked about what I needed to do to get into the program, and I felt like I had found my path, and I kind of walked that path with excitement. I work with Chef Diane. She has a similar story to me, where she started in the program at UVU and then started here at Sundance in an internship, and then has kind of done the same thing, where she works really hard. She has a very high level of passion for food, and she's been able to progress her career as well.
Having my internship here really helped me get a head start. I didn't have to start off as a dishwasher. I didn't have to start off as a prep cook. They saw the skills that I had. I didn't have a lot of culinary experience before my internship. I hadn't really worked in a lot of serious restaurants, and so it helped me get quite a head start on my career. My favorite thing to do is to sneak a little bit of my heritage onto the menu. My dad is from Mexico, and so I always love to sneak like a mole or some kind of sidestep Mexican food onto the menu. I love what I do. I love ingredients and food, and it's really all I think about is food. And so I hope that I can get that across, that food is what brings us all together. It's the one thing that connects us all as humans, is we all have to eat, so why not enjoy it?
Chef Diane spent a lot of time here in the tree room, and a lot of the credit for the tree room goes to her. But recently she's been able to move her position to a resort executive sous chef, which now she gets to see some of the events that we do outside of the tree room. Probably my favorite memory is we did an event pretty early with her that was kind of a mountaintop luau. It really was kind of her seeing the first time of what an event like that takes to pull off, especially here on the mountain. It does take a lot. And it was just a fun experience, because I've been in her shoes. I've seen that experience. There's just so much that you have to plan and prepare for and do. And I guess watching that from her perspective was kind of fun, because it was a little bit of shock and awe at times. We like being challenged. We like being able to say we're going to do this and then have to find ways to do it. And that's why I think Sundance is so successful, because we don't back down. We want to take on those challenges. We want to do more.
My heart is always with the tree room. That's where I started, and she just keeps pulling me back in. I love the tree room. It's a great place, but all the departments around property are fantastic. I love how meticulous you have to be, how precise you have to be. It's a different beast of its own. Each department kind of has its own set of skills that it requires, and the tree room is just very challenging, and it's fun. If you're thinking about going into culinary school and you love food, just do it. You'll love it. If food is all you think about, or if you love sharing your food with other people because it makes you happy, then this is a great industry to go into.
Find your passion for why you want to do it. This isn't an easy industry, and I think that if you don't have some kind of connection to the food and why you're wanting to go through this process, it can be easy to kind of feel overwhelmed. So yeah, I think find the reason and then hold on to it and really try to utilize that as best you can.